Alright, you're welcome to the saxophone video course. Today we're going to start with the introduction to the saxophone, where we're going to be talking about the types, the parts, and of course how to assemble and disassemble the saxophone. The saxophone is a captivating musical instrument which was invented by a man known as Adolf Voss in the year 1840s. To talk about the types of the saxophone, we have different types of saxophone. We have the soprano saxophone. The soprano saxophone has the highest pitch when it comes to every other saxophone. It is often used in jazz for its bright tone. Similarly, we have a curved soprano, which functions like that of the straight soprano saxophone. So both the straight soprano and the curved one has the same function. And the next we have here is the alto saxophone. This is known for its mellow and rich sound. It's popular in both classical and jazz music. This is it. And the next you have is the tenor saxophone. This is bigger and the head is curved, unlike that of the alto saxophone. The tenor saxophone is recognizable in jazz and popular music. It produces a warm and expressive tone. And the next we have is the baritone, which is the lowest of the standard saxophone, providing a deep resonant voice in resemblance to that of tenor saxophone. But mind you, it's more basic compared to the tenor saxophone. There are many types of saxophones, but basically the four major commonly used saxophones are the soprano saxophone, the alto saxophone, the tenor saxophone, and the baritone. The saxophone can be subdivided into three major parts, which are the head. Ranging from here is the body, and here as the bell. And now to talk about the head, we have the following parts in the head. You have the mouthpiece cap, or you call this mouthpiece cover. From here to here is the neck. And right here you have the one we call the mouthpiece. This black one, we call it mouthpiece. And here you have your reed, which comes in different sizes. And this is your ligature. So this ligature is the one that holds the reed firmly together with the mouthpiece. Always ensure to fix the reed through the base of the reed down the mouthpiece, as this will help to protect the reed from damaging. Do not fix the reed through the blade of the reed, but instead fix through the base of the reed in this order. This is the best way, using the base and always ensure to cover the mouthpiece when not in use. Talking about the body of the saxophone, the body is made up of several components, where you have the pillars. All these, you refer to it as the pillars. Alright, then you have your connecting rod that looks like pin. Now you have the keys, of course. These are the keys. These are the keys. The pads, right? These are the pads. Some keys are made together with the pad, while some are separate. These are still keys. These are still keys. You have your octave key, likewise, which we also refer to as register, or the registering key. You have here as your left thumb rest, and here you have as your right thumb rest, which implies that these are the points where you are going to hold the saxophone. So holding the saxophone now, you position your left thumb here, the right thumb at this point, and you have the saxophone here. And mind you, before you pick the saxophone from the bag, always ensure to have your strap on your neck. This is what you call the strap. And of course, you have a strap hook here. And you have the saxophone tuner, where you tune the saxophone, the third subdivided part of the saxophone, which is the bell. The bell serves as the speaker which amplifies the sound produced to the saxophone. The larger the size of the bell, the louder the production of the saxophone.